To change bands in your Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, you will have to click and hold on this button, for example with your fingernail, and now when you do it, you have to slide with this strap into the right side. Take a look. And now we can release. Let's do the same for this one. So we have to click and hold with our fingernail and then move it to the right side. Take a look. And now if you want to put it back, you will have to do the same, but now you will have to press this button with your band like that and then slide to the left side. Now let me show you one more time on this one. So click and hold this button with your strap like that, and now slide to the left side. And now as you can see, it's finished. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.